attacks his foot.
It would be so funny if it attacks Tim. It hopped. It went off the ground.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Got our water supply. 5 liters should be enough.
I just need to make room for Sam's backpack.
This is our last weekend free. Last weekend before the end of winter holidays come to an end. 2 weeks.
Christmas holiday, not winter.
Winter, Christmas are synonymous with me, and except when you're in New Zealand, then it's a different story. It's Saturday, we're back to work on Monday. So we're gonna have a little camping trip being out in Nelson in the Abel Tasman region. We're gonna head up along the entire coast through Motueka, past Golden Bay, all the way up to the top to Farewell Spit. And we're gonna visit that famous beach, which I just found out about, that Windows 10 desktop wallpaper. You probably have it on your desktop right now. It was actually filmed at this beach called...
Called? Go on.
I have no idea. You're my fact checker. Notice in the vlog, I always look off camera. It's because I'm looking at Ling. She's my fact checker.
Do
I'm doing it right now. I don't know.
No.
Fakariki?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Getting ready to laugh at you.
Mm-hmm. Editing the footage now, and I noticed a little something. I actually did not get the name right. The real name of the beach is Farariki, not Fakariki. And as you can see in the video, my fact checker Ling was also not aware of this real name, but she led me to believe that I had got it right and that my memory is not as bad as it truly is. But it felt good in the moment. Like you saw my reaction, that was a genuine reaction because I thought I nailed the name. But I guess that's kind of like why parents lie to their kids to make them feel good about things like Santa Claus or the Easter Bunny. Anyways, back to the video. We gotta pick up Dino Sam. He hitchhiked up to Motueka yesterday. Just Tim Trudeau, the German, is also in the Nelson area. He's gonna meet us up in Motueka. And Jabberwock was in Blenheim, I believe. So he's got a bit of backtracking to do, but we're all gonna meet in Motueka in 15 minutes. We're running a bit late, so we should get going.
Oh, okay. So I have to wait till Motueka to get my coffee.
Okay.
So proud of you. You knew the name of the beach.
Fakariki Beach.
Wow.
No. No. I knew you were gonna record me.
Why? What were you doing? Hi.
We've got Just Tim Trudeau. Just Tim Trudeau is back.
And I thought I would be late.
Yeah, I thought I was late. Tim thought he was late. We were 20 minutes late. But look, down there we've got Dino Sam. He's grabbing his things. Is Jay here?
Huh?
Is Jay here?
No. Should get in contact with him.
Oh yeah?
Probably still at the bass taking a dip or something, eh?
Oh, okay.
So I just got back from my 12-day adventure in... Abel Tasman.
Where were you, Sam?
Abel Tasman. After fighting off the Loch Ness Monster and a few, manticores and what the other ones, chimeras. And thankfully I have survived.
Don't forget the narwhals.
Don't be ridiculous. I live in hot waters. Moron.
I got bit 9 times on just 1 foot at Tim's farm. Just walking.
Everywhere. I don't even know.
It was
I don't care.
We are here at NGARUA Caves. We're gonna look at some stalactites and stalagmites. Stalactite, hold on tight. Stalagmite might poke you in the ass. We're just waiting for Justin Trudeau, Dino Sam, Jabberwock J, Jabmaster J, Michael J. White, and yeah, we're gonna get a move on and explore the NGARUA Cave. The sign says a Middle Earth experience, but don't be confused. This has nothing to do with Lord of the Rings. That just sounded wrong when it's off camera.
It's metal.
Your face is in the shadow.
I don't want to look sharp.
Also waiting for Jay. Jump for that.
Oh yeah. We're always waiting for Jay.
We have set up 2 touch points because of course we're human, we like to touch and poke. So just try and keep your hands to yourself until those touch points.
What was it like when
Oh, it's nice. How many MOA did you see 2 years ago?
Oh, nothing.
No MOAs. I want my money back. So, alright, now shut the door. Entering NGARUA caves. Remember, stalactite, hold on tight. Stalagmite might poke you in the ass.
Oops.
Oh, is that Jay? I see something moving down there. Oh.
Do you guys have sugar in your house?
Yeah.
I was going to
Of
say,
course.
oh my gosh, what's nuts? Like, let's go. Okay.
Wow.
What do tunnels say when they agree with something? Okay.
Opera singers, there's been albums actually recorded in here, and on the occasion weddings. Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Bravo.
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. Hakuna Matata. Okay, not studying.
Could touch everything. Imagine this thing breaks off. That's my fear. Wow. We could touch the sign.
Not bright.
Is that Jay down there?
What? Oh,
Like, why didn't it?
yeah, that's
There
the
you
one.
go. That's the one. I think I see Jay's camper van down there.
Passport.
His passport. That's the one, Cuzzo. Ooh, wow. How could you not want to touch this?
Within the enclosure. It's like ice back home. I'm going to
Oh, look at that.
Wow. Light? Light?
Does anyone have Stairway to Heaven on their phone?
come out.
That's the reason why we wear hard hats. And we're out. Out of the cave. Survivor.
Oh my god. Fresh air.
You did it. Let's not forget Justin Trudeau.
Yay, let's go.
Prime Minister of Canada doing his inspection. Oh, there he is. Nice spot. Baby Weka. It looks like a wild jade.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Here we have Michael J. White, Jabberwock J, just taking in the sun, spread eagled.
I know. I don't know why I was facing that way. Look at the view. I had my back to.
Cheep, 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 cheep. Back for more. Going back for seconds. Look, sneak around. He's back.
Oh,
He's
he
back.
slowed down. He slowed down. He's not running anymore.